Girl.
I love you, and I never thought you, but you keep hurting me, and I keep forgiving you. I didn't say you did. Boy, I didn't say you did. Like you figure out me when we don't get out. You think that this is just really no doubt. I'm calling for time, stuff you don't get out. And I'm not just gonna keep on blowing you out. I'm always wishing you that you forget that I got it too. But I'm so awkward, so awful like from you. I don't know what you want.